Let's get charging.
Right, do you remember how to do the charging?
Yeah, of course. Do I remember how to do it?
Here we go.
Joe and Angelica are on their way to Glasgow, where the United Nations Climate Change Conference, COP26, is happening. On their road trip, they're finding out how Tesco is making our shopping more sustainable. Part of that is switching 100% of their electricity to renewable sources.
Oh, wow, look at
this.
this. This is amazing, isn't it? How much power do you get from just this roof?
280 homes it would power, plus our store.
I mean, this is impressive. It's an impressive setup.
It is, isn't it? I can't believe you get so much energy from one roof. They still work with weather like this.
They do.
Well, it's a great start to our sort of renewable energy day, isn't it? We're on our way to Glasgow.
Let's go. It's freezing up here,
Stop
isn't it?
moaning. Sorry.
Tesco's switch to renewables isn't just about solar power, though. There's one more stop on Joe and Angelica's journey, and the route takes them right past the venue for COP26.
SEC. It's a lovely building, isn't it?
So that's where the climate conference is going to be.
Their final destination is just outside Glasgow, near Inverclyde.
They must be the people up there with me. Hello, guys.
Hi.
You all right? Nice to see you.
We're just looking forward to finding out more about your wind farm.
Good.
They are pretty impressive, aren't they, when you walk
Yeah.
up close to them?
From the base to the tip is 110 metres tall.
How many turbines have we got here?
It's not a huge wind farm, 8 turbines. For the local town at Inverclyde, this will cover about 44% of the electricity that's used.
So Alex, tell us how Tesco are getting involved with this.
So we've committed so far with partners to build 5 new wind farms and 4 new solar farms in the United Kingdom. We've got a net zero target for 2035, 15 years ahead of the UK. So, you know,
Are you on target for your own target?
we're on target for our own target, and we're actually always reviewing and seeing how we can do or if we can do better.
How much renewable energy do we need to produce to power the UK?
We need to really quadruple our production of renewable energy.
That is not out of the question.
We need to be doing more to make sure we meet these targets.
Keep up the momentum.
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
Keeping the lights on in stores means keeping the turbines turning at peak performance.
No, Joe, you're not getting a shot of it. We're looking for things on the blades like lightning strikes, dart even on the blades.
Let me try and direct you. Go right, go right. I need you to go high. I want this top one here, Jerry.
It's really clear, isn't it?
They've done their inspections with expert help, but Joe is taking the controls for landing. Brace, brace.
3, 4, 5. Is that all I had to do?
Just be grateful.
I literally had to press a button. I didn't get to fly it.
It's been fun.
It has, it has. So that's it, mate.
I know.
That's our Scottish and English adventure over.
And we've learned so much.
It's nice to know that there are big companies out there that are consciously making an effort.
And looking after the planet for our little ones so they've got a world that they can live in.
Every little helps. Tesco is on the way to hitting net zero by 2035.